Hey guys, haven't done a video in a while, so just thought I'd do a quick one. You can see here we had a storm come through before, and yeah, it's all clear again now. It's all sunny. So yeah, but today I just want to show you our floating raft system. This is all metal frame that we made here, and it's got all wood around the sides, as you can see there. And the floor is marine ply. I'll just see if I can show you there. Under there, that's all marine. With ribs in there as well to help it. So yeah, on the top here you can see here this green styrofoam. Just lift it up again. You can have a look here. See all the roots in here, they're growing really well. Now these plants are not that old, but they're going really good. You can see in there. You can see the water inside in here. Now just while you've got that up, I just want to show you up the other end of here. You cannot see. There's a pump up in the end there, and it runs through this pipe. It runs all the way up to this end here, and the water comes out. Yep, that's okay. And the water, I'll just show you here, comes through, and so it just recirculates. And this pipe here, there's 6 holes in it, and it blasts water down into the like into the bathtub, and yeah, that creates oxygen. So yeah, I'll just show you here. In here, these plants, there's no net pot, there's nothing. It's just the plants themselves in the hole, and you can see in there. There's one here, so you can see there. So they just sit straight in the hole. So yeah, no net pot, there's no rock wool or anything like that. You can have a look at the size of these plants. You can see here, you know, a lot bigger than my hand. They're nearly twice the size of my hand, and yeah, growing well. So there you go, guys. I'll just come back a bit so you can see. And yeah. So there you go. It's just growing nuts, absolutely nuts. There's about 10 plants per hole, so you can see there. Just grows really well. On the top there's a roof, as you can see. The roof just stops all the rain coming through and diluting all the nutrition. So there you go, guys. Yeah, growing well. Thanks for watching.